You pick up your phone for just 5 minutes. You check one notification, then one video, then another. Suddenly, an hour is gone. But here's the strange part. You didn't plan to spend an hour scrolling, so why did you? Is your phone actually controlling you? Not exactly. The real explanation is hiding inside the way your brain responds to something called unpredictable rewards.
And once you understand it, you'll realize why putting your phone down can feel surprisingly difficult.
The problem isn't necessarily that Stickman has no discipline. Something much more interesting is happening.
Your brain pays attention to rewards. But there's an important detail. It doesn't only care about the reward itself.
Imagine opening your phone and seeing absolutely nothing interesting. You probably wouldn't stay there very long. But what if the next swipe could reveal a hilarious video?
An exciting message? Something surprising? Something you've never seen before? Suddenly, there's a reason to keep checking. You don't know what comes next.
This is where the famous phrase appears. Just one more. One more video. One more post. One more game. One more check of your messages.
And the funny thing is, you're not necessarily deciding to spend another hour. You're making a series of tiny decisions, one decision at a time. And those tiny decisions can add up.
Now compare that with something difficult. Imagine Stickman has a huge assignment. It might take 2 hours. There is no instant reward. The first 10 minutes might feel boring. The result comes later. His phone, meanwhile, offers something immediately. That's the battle. Immediate reward versus delayed reward. And when you're tired, stressed, or bored, the immediate option can become much more tempting.
And this isn't only about smartphones. Humans have always been attracted to things that provide immediate rewards. The modern difference is that technology can put thousands of potential rewards in your pocket. Entertainment,
Messages, games, news, short videos, shopping. Everything is available almost instantly. That's incredibly convenient. But convenience can become a problem when there's no boundary around it.
So should you throw your phone away? Probably not. The phone isn't the villain. The real problem is allowing something designed to capture your attention to decide where your attention goes.
Think about that. Your attention is one of the most valuable things you have. If you don't decide where it goes, something else will.
So how do you take control? Start with friction. If something constantly distracts you, make accessing it slightly harder. Put your phone across the room when you're studying.
Turn off unnecessary notifications. Remove apps that you constantly check from your home screen. You don't need superhero-level discipline. You can simply make the distraction less convenient.
Next, create a clear stopping point. Don't tell yourself, I'll use my phone less. That's vague. Instead, decide, I'm going to watch for 20 minutes, then stop. I'll finish this task before I open social media. Clear rules are easier to follow than vague intentions. There's another trick people often overlook. Don't just remove the distraction, replace it. If you normally grab your phone whenever you're bored, have something else ready. Read a few pages, take a short walk, write something down, talk to someone, do something creative. Your brain doesn't simply need an empty space. It needs something meaningful to do with that attention.
And when an important task feels overwhelming, use the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'm only going to do this for 5 minutes. That's it.
5 minutes of studying, 5 minutes of writing, 5 minutes of cleaning, 5 minutes of exercise. You're not promising to finish everything, you're simply making the first step easier.
The goal isn't to become someone who never uses their phone. The goal is to become someone who can use technology without constantly losing control of their attention. Because every day, you're spending something you can never get back. Not money, not energy, time. And where your time goes eventually shapes your life.
So the next time you pick up your phone and think, I'll just check one thing. Did I choose this? Or did the habit choose it? That tiny question can create a moment of control.
Because your phone can compete for your attention. But it doesn't have to own it. You decide where your attention goes. And what you repeatedly give your attention to eventually becomes part of your life.